Hello everyone and welcome back to another vlog. So nandito kami ngayon sa Shore 3 Residences for another turnover. So this unit is located in Tower 4. As of now, functional na yung sa lobby area. Okay na siya, pero yung sa amenities, still hindi pa rin siya operational. Ito naman yung hallway dito sa Tower 4. So as of now, marami pa rin ginagawa. Yan, kung makikita ninyo. So marami pa rin kailangan ayusin. Pero mga ibang unit na turnover na. Unit is a 1 bedroom, suite A. So pag suite A, may window doon sa bedroom. Ayan. So kailangan ko na siyang i-check. I-check natin kung may kailangan i-punch list sa unit. Then yung grease trap na makikita mo maraming kalawang. So sinuggest ko na i-punch list sana, pero tinanggap kasi ni owner dahil matagal na daw na hinihintay. So unit is facing amenities. And malapit na yung summer. So ayan, golden yellow na yung sunset dito sa MOA area. Ito naman yung video sa umaga. Yan. So, napakatahimik. And bababa tayo. Pupunta tayo sa amenity area. Ito yung Shore Residences. Isa to sa mga minamanage namin na condominium dito sa MOA area. Shore Residences for long term, and meron din kaming hawak na Airbnb. And ngayong araw, mag-check kami ng unit sa Shore 3 Residences. Titignan namin doon yung unit na ipaparent namin.
Ay! Wow, ang ganda naman.
Prime Stay! Bibitin! Prime Stay!
Hello!
Kasama ko si Ate Luna, si Anika, si Mika, and si Tinay. Shore 3 Residences.
Scary us. I'm not scared.
So ito yung way papunta sa Tower 1 and 2. Ito yung office ng SMDC Good Stay. Yung leasing ng SMDC. Sa Tower 3 siya. Ng Shore 2 Residences. So maraming vacant na commercial. If you're interested po to, ayan o, sa scan nyo lang yan for inquiry. Isa din dito sa pinakamaganda sa Shore Complex is pwede kang maglakad-lakad between Shore 1, Shore 2, Shore 3.
What a wasted time.
Ito yung lobby ng
Should've been here
Tower
on the outside, read the
1,
sign.
Shore 3 Residences.
Used to call you mine. Gave it my best, but I don't need one more try.
Kasama ko ang mga staff. So, Prime Day. Staffs, Alam mo yung maganda dito sa elevator ng Shore 3? Ano siya, malawak. 861.
Tsaka hindi siya tela.
Oo.
Napupunasan.
What a wasted time. Should've been here on the outside, read the sign. Used to call you mine. Gave it my best, but I don't need one more try.
Kasama ko ang mga staff. So,
decide mo, hindi niya kailangan.
What a waste, what a crime, what a fucked up time, and I should go.
Bawal ko.
So I take what I can and I toss it in the car. Drive away down the highway. I can't stay, 'cause I know
Ito lang oh.
that all I know it's time to go.
Dahil sahod ngayon, ilibre mo naman ako. Libre mo ako? Saan tayo? Sa Shore Eats?
Yes.
Sa Shore... Meg, sa Shore Eats niya daw ako ililibre.
Ah, sige. Wait lang. May wait pa doon.
Grabe naman. Quick.
Call me up 'cause we badly need this change. Maybe I'm all out of hope. Could I find it when I go? Think we're only here to stay alive now. Funny we ran out of kicks. Now you only make me sick. Think we're only here to stay alive now. 'Cause I know what a waste, what a crime, what a fucked up time, and I should go. So I take what I can and I toss it in the car. Drive away down the highway. I can't stay, 'cause I know that all I know it's time to go. It's time to go. It's all I know. It's time to go.
Kayo ah! Uli ka! Long cute mo, babe! Ang mga cleaner! Nakita kita ang mga staff!